How to use same WhatsApp account in two devices. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up WhatsApp on the first device. Now sign in into your account. Now once you sign in, tap on three dots at the top. Now once you sign in, tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on link devices. Now tap on link a device. Now enter your phone screen password. Now tap on OK. Now give the permissions. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your web browser on the second device. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner and enable desktop site. Now tap on the search bar and type WhatsApp web. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Again tap on three dots and enable desktop site. Now wait for some time. Now from the first device, scan the QR code. You can scan the QR code by tapping on link or device. Now place the camera on the QR code, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.